This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 93 of Building Optimus Prime from the Transformers. In this issue, we are continuing with the leg. After looking at Transformers in the cinema, Isabella, orphan and godmother to Autobots. Till all are one, a phrase with many meanings. Some sort of Borg, sort of resistance is futile, you will be assimilated sort of thing, isn't it? Maybe? I don't know. Case? Don't know him. Transformers go! Here we are, Team Swordbot, Samurai, and Shinobi. Yeah, I mean, that's a lot of Bullet Train. I like him. What about the other thing? That's definitely Japanese names. Yeah, car, plane, truck. Don't know what these are. Well, that's some sort of bird thing, some sort of animal thing, some sort of shark thing, maybe. But yeah, robotic shark. There you go. But not particularly. Right, the left leg, part 8. Different parts are added to the left thigh assembly. Yeah, lots of little details made up. Little hook thing attached, and armor pieces attached. Yeah, building up the leg. Oh, we're going to put the wheels on as well. I'll have to dig those out too. And we're ending up with the upper leg pretty much done by the looks of it. Got to do the lower leg and the arm, an entire arm. Quite a lot's going. The body's pretty much done, isn't it? So yeah, let's clear this out of the way. Let's dig out the wheels and get it going. Right, so we've got all the parts from this issue. Lots of little bits in there. 1, 2, 3 different types of screws, a couple of washers. I've got the wheels and leg that we've been building up on. But first of all, we've got to make up a little assembly piece. We need that and the hook, the QP screw, which is not that one. Not that one. Do the last one that I go to. QP screw. There we go. That will go through from this side there through the top part of that hook, getting that. It's got another bit that's got to go through there as well. Right, that's going to go through there with MP screws for those, and that's got to go through there with that coming out that way. Let's get that in there first because I've already sorted that bit out. That's through there. So many articulated pieces in this build. It is totally ridiculous. There you go. That's that. 2 of those. You're leaving 1 in the packet, so that's almost certainly going to be a spare. Goes through there, and that's where one of the wheels is going to attach. There. A little bit more securely. There you go. Get the screws in. This is one of the more intense build episodes for this month, I think. A lot of them are a little bit more shorter builds. So it's good to have an occasional, all hands down, get everything done build. So there we go. That is that. Attached like that. Yep. Then we need an HM screw. That one, again, there's only 2 in the packet there, so one of those will be spare, no doubt. Side. And we need a washer for that one as well. So let's get that out. Again, there's 2 of those, so that's probably spare as well. Get that on there with the washer on there. Right. This is going on to the leg assembly itself. It's going through the end bit of the hook. That is going onto that post there. Like that. Here we go. We'll hold that secure on there. It moves, but not much. That moves outwards as well, but again, not much. That's okay. Exactly how we need that to be. Then we need to move these bits out of the way. Right. That bit goes there. 3 little pins that hold it in place. Looks like those 3 are in the right places. No, not those 3. Wait, what? Way up. Nope, that is the right way up. Am I looking at the right side? No, I'm looking at the wrong side. It should be there. There we go. Those 3 line up there. It pops together. Like that. Nice. Then we need to make up another bit here with those 3 things. That goes onto there. Way round to go. Another little key piece that goes to go into there. That on there like that. And way round as it is in the pictures. Oh, we do need an MP screw. We're still 2 in there. Oh, there's only 1. Right. So this is going through there. Like that. Round. Wait a minute. Let's try and figure out. Be that way around. And the screw will go in from the other side to hold that together. Go. There we have that. And then we put that onto there. Where? The right way around so I can see what I'm doing. That way. No, not that way. That way up. That's that colour piece. It goes on the front piece there. A bit down. Yeah. 2 pins there and there. Lined up on there. There. Feel like it should be the other 2. That one. Way. Gonna be that one and that one. Get that lined up and then get that lined up as well. And that should go in there. They take a little bit more force than I'm really happy applying. But it means it's not going to come apart again, doesn't it? So yeah, that's that on there. Okay, happy enough with that now. Then this piece goes in to fill in the last little bits of the shaping there. Drop that armour. Yeah, that's got in quite easy on that one. So that's no, that's not in on there. Around there, but not so much on that bit. Must be. Yeah, pretty sure that's okay. No, no, I'm not sure that that's okay at all because that's not really down over there. Try getting that lined up again. There we go. That's better. Although, no, again, I'm still not entirely convinced that that's right. I think that needs to be a bit more flush. Something's not quite lined up there. Feel like it's going in somewhere. Sure, I'm pushing these in the right direction because that's actually got to go that way rather than the way I was trying to push it. Lines up and then sort of slides more down rather than straight in. No, that's as in as it gets. I'm sure that is okay. So then I can put the wheels in place there and on that top bit. Make sure that's, I don't know which way around that's got to be. Sure it's going to have enough room to move anywhere. Yeah, that's about there. So there we have it. Top half of the leg pretty much done. Lots of articulation in there. Ridiculous amount of articulation in this entire model. There we go. That's that done. That was the big part built. So join me in a couple of days when we're going to be doing some more and adding to the leg. Although next time, I think we've got a little standalone build. So I'll see you for that very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.